You may think that bladder leaks only happen to women of a certain age, but in reality, they are common in women in many different stages of life. Stress urinary incontinence, or SUI, is a common source of bladder leaks and is caused by a weakness in your pelvic floor, and 1 in 3 women will suffer from it at some point. SUI can affect your ability to do normal, everyday activities like walking, exercising, enjoying a day out with the family, or even laughter can cause anxiety about leaks. But you don't have to live with the symptoms of SUI. You do have a choice. You don't have to suffer in silence and put up with a life of wearing pads. If you leak urine during daily activities, Bulkamid can help provide the relief you've been longing for. The short, incision-free procedure typically takes less than 10 minutes. Involves 3 to 4 small injections of soft, water-based gel into the wall of the urethra to help prevent urine from leaking out of the bladder during day-to-day activities. It's safe, quick, and most patients can get back to your normal activities almost immediately. In a clinical study, 92% of women reported their bladder leaks were cured or improved after their Bulkamid treatment. Bulkamid is available around the world. Ask your healthcare provider today. Bulkamid, the SUI treatment option preferred by women.